Okay, hello guys, this is Lexus John Kim. Today I got some picture from my customer that is totally same as our menu. So this one is not our company name. Company name is Carputech. It's a Linux screen also same. Products looks like almost same, and this is our menu. Okay, this is the original menu. I uploaded a website and Facebook, everywhere, but they're using our menu under their name and copy that our screen also. We design everything, but they copy everything, and even they're using our menu. And also the more scarce part, this is QR code, install video. I'll show you something. If I scan this one, this is Carputech installation video, right? Okay. Let me play.
First, remove this leather-covered panel on the passenger side. After removing the panel, you'll find two square base Phillips screws
This
and
is
one
on
round
mine.
base Phillips screw. Go ahead and remove all three screws, then remove that panel.
Even they're using our installation video under their name, Carputech.com. They're crazy.
We built a 49